Welcome to VTV. This is Niharika. Bulletin for the day. Nearly 7,000 COVID-19 cases recorded in India last 24 hours, highest in the day so far. With 6,977 cases in last 24 hours, coronavirus cases in India have increased to 1,38,843. The government announced on Monday. This marks the biggest one-day jump in the cases in India for fourth day in the row. India also recorded 154 deaths in the last 24 hours. Taking the death toll to 4,021. India now among 10 countries with worst coronavirus cases count. India is now among the 10 countries with the worst coronavirus cases count as the number of coronavirus cases in the country rose to 1,38,843 on Monday. India surpassed Iran, which has 1,35,701 coronavirus cases. According to the latest update by Iranian Health Minister, the US, Brazil, Russia and UK, Spain, China, Italy, France, Germany and have more cases than India. 80 flights to and fro Delhi cancelled as domestic flights resume today. Around 80 flights to and fro from Delhi Indira Gandhi International Airport have been cancelled as domestic flights resume today. Earlier, the flight schedule was made for airports including West Bengal, Maharashtra and Chennai. West Bengal has permitted flights from May 28th onwards, while Maharashtra has allowed 25 takeoffs and 25 landings. Number of incoming flights have been restricted to 25 by Chennai. CDS Bipin Rawat to donate 50,000 rupees monthly for a year to PM CARES Fund. Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat has reportedly started donating 50,000 from his monthly salary to the PM CARES Fund. The amount will be deducted from his salary and get deposited in the centre's COVID-19 relief fund for the next 12 months, reports said. The first deduction of 50,000 was reportedly made in April. UP to have migrant commission to ensure jobs of migrant returning home. UP government on Sunday decided to set up a migration commission in order to provide employment to the migrant labourers returning to the state amid the coronavirus lockdown. By the efforts of the state government, till now 23 lakh workers and migrants have returned to the state, said the state additional chief secretary Avinash Awasthi. Domestic flights to recommence across the country from tomorrow except Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal government. Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri today announced that the domestic flights will recommence across the country from tomorrow except in Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal. He added that flights will commence in Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal on May 26th, respectively. Ashok Chavan, second Maharashtra Minister to test COVID-19 positive. Maharashtra Public Works Department Minister Ashok Chavan has tested positive for COVID-19. He is the second minister in Maharashtra's government to catch the infection after Housing Ministry Jitendra Awadh. According to the reports, Chavan's condition is stable and he is currently admitted at a hospital in Maharashtra's Nanded after being under home quarantine for the last few days. Four COVID-19 vaccines may enter the clinical trial in 4 to 5 months, Harshvardhan. Union Health Minister Harshvardhan on Sunday said that at least 4 of the 14 candidate vaccines for novel coronavirus in the country may enter the clinical trial stage within 4 to 5 months. Harshvardhan said this is a social media interaction with BJP national spokesperson and Rajya Sabha MP GVL Narasimha Rao. Conjoined twins joined from back, hip, separated after 24-hour surgery at AIIMS. Doctors at AIIMS separated 2-year-old conjoined twins who were attached from their back and hip following a 24-hour surgery, officials said. A team of 64 healthcare workers participated in the surgery. The girl had fused pelvis, spinal bones, spinal cord, intestines and shared a common rectum besides having abnormalities of heart and major blood vessels, a senior doctor said. India should aspire to become second or third large economy by 2047, Niti Aayog Vice Chairman. There is a need to convert development into a mass movement and India should aspire to become the second or the third largest economy in the world by 2047. Niti Aayog Vice Chairman Rajiv Kumar said on Sunday. Kumar also said that private sector investment is necessary for the economic growth of India. Presently, India is in the 5th largest economy in the world. Thank you for watching VTV. For more updates, please subscribe to VTV.